Hi, how are you? Fine, and how are you? Great. What did you do today? Not much, mainly just read a book. I'm going skiing soon. Cool. Where are you going? Can I come too? I'm going to Canada. I wanted to go last year to the Winter Olympics, but I didn't have the money to. So I decided to go now. I am afraid that I do not have the money to bring you to. I am leaving tomorrow on a plane for 8 hours and shall be returning in 12 days' time. Cool. Pity I can't come too. Maybe next time I can come and then we can go snowboarding. Oh, and skiing, don't worry. Well, it will be great fun. I mean, I going to go and maybe live there. What? Yeah, I know, but that is only a maybe. Ha ha ha. Well, how are you going to get those skis anyway? I mean, you don't have the money, do you? I got some money for Christmas. Well, got to go, so see you soon.